Hello, superstars. How are you? Today, we are going to learn 10 sight words. We're going to say, spell, and use them in sentences. I want you to follow my lead as we learn together. Repeat after me. After. Now let's spell it together. After. AF-ter. After. Now let's use it in a sentence. We play after lunch. Good job. Because. Now let's spell it together. Because. 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 I smile because I am happy. Good job. Do. Now let's spell it together. Do. D-O. Do. Now let's use it in a sentence. Kids do homework at school. Good job. There. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. There is a flower in the garden. Hard. Now let's spell it together. Hard. H-A-D. Hard. Now let's use it in a sentence. She had fun at recess. We. Let's spell it together. We. W-E. We. You are doing amazing. Now let's use it in a sentence. We sing in the garden. Good job. If. Now let's spell it together. If. I-F. If. Now let's use it in a sentence. We read if it's quiet. Make. Let's spell it together. Make. M-A-K-E. Make. Now let's use it in a sentence. Mom will make my bed. Now let's move on to the next word. She. Let's spell it together. She. S-H-E. She. Now let's use it in a sentence. She has a green pen. Good job. Now let's go to the last word. O. 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 R, or choose a book or a game. Wow, you did very good, superstars. You have learned 10 sight words today. Come back for more sight word fun. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.